Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video today showing you how to reset the service light on this 2016 Mercedes CLS 220 diesel. The first thing you want to do, if you just get on this screen here, we've got all the just basically got the ignition on, and you want to cycle through. I'm on the right screen there, but if you just cycle through, if you want on that screen, you just want to make sure that you get to the screen with a mileometer there. Once you're on that display, just simply turn the ignition back off, and then you want to turn to stage 1 on the ignition, so just the first click on the key there, so don't bring any additional lights on the dash. Now the next step we're going to do is press and hold the phone button and then the OK button and keep them depressed. Now you get this new menu appear, and all we're going to use is the arrows and the OK button. So once on this menu, you want to scroll down to select Assist Plus. Press OK to select it. And you can scroll down to Full Service. And then you've got a list of services, but if you just scroll down to where it says Confirm Service, press OK. There's options on oil grades there. Just go on that first one there. And you can scroll down to just confirm that you've carried it out. And confirm again, and that's all reset. Now the only reason it's coming up with this message tonight is because I've actually already done it once. I'm just repeating right through it, and purely because I've literally just done it without even starting the car up, it's not allowing me to do it again. But if you do it when the service light is on the dash, it'll just allow it to run straight through and reset that. So hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.